Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about turmeric. We will be discussing specifically what this mysterious yellow spice is used for. Let us get into it straight away. Turmeric has been important in traditional practices worldwide. It's been key in India's ancient Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. Turmeric comes from the curcuma longa plant's rhizome, or underground stem. It is native to Southeast Asia. For centuries, people have used it in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. It's also popular in various global cuisines. Are you intrigued? We are too. In this video, we'll look at how people use turmeric. We'll cover its role in cooking, its possible health and medicinal benefits, and how it's used in cosmetics and personal care. We'll also mention some other unique uses of turmeric. Turmeric is an interesting and versatile spice. It has a long history and many uses today. Let's dive in and discover all about this golden root. Culinary uses of turmeric. Turmeric is a spice used for centuries worldwide, especially in South Asia and the Middle East. It has a bright yellow-orange color. Its earthy, slightly bitter flavor is important in many traditional dishes. In Indian cuisine, turmeric is an essential component of curries, lending both color and flavor to dishes like chicken tikka masala, beef curry, and vegetable curries. It's also used to season rice dishes like biryani and pulao. Turmeric is a crucial ingredient in curry powders, which are blends of spices used to season curries and other savory dishes. In the Middle East, turmeric is a popular spice. It is an essential additive in Persian and Arab foods. In Iran, it flavors chilo koresh, a stew with beef and vegetables. It is also found in Lebanese and Moroccan tagines. Moreover, turmeric gives Middle Eastern rice dishes, such as mujadara, their distinctive color. Turmeric goes beyond flavoring curries and rice. It adds color and flavor to many foods. It is often found in mustards, giving them a yellow color and a slightly bitter, pungent taste. Turmeric can also color cheeses, butter, and dairy products. Home cooks find turmeric easy to use in daily meals. It matches well with chicken, beef, lentils, vegetables, grains, and soups. Just a pinch can enhance scrambled eggs or frittatas. It's also good in marinades, dressings, and spice rubs. Remember, use turmeric sparingly. Begin with small amounts and adjust as needed. Don't let this exotic spice scare you. Adding turmeric to your daily meals is simple. Begin with a pinch in roasted veggies or lentils for a warm, earthy flavor. Want to try something new? Make a golden latte using turmeric, ginger, and milk. It's cozy and might be good for your health. There are countless ways to use it, so be creative. Let turmeric bring a bit of sunshine to your dishes. Make sure you use the right amount of turmeric. Too much can make your dishes too strong, but feel free to try new things with it. Medicinal and health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric has a long history of use in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, where it has been utilized to treat a wide variety of conditions. Modern scientific research has begun to uncover the potential mechanisms behind turmeric's medicinal properties. Turmeric is widely researched for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. This is mainly because of curcumin, its active ingredient. These effects suggest turmeric could be a natural treatment for conditions like arthritis, digestive issues, and some skin ailments. Research shows turmeric could boost immune health. It might help the body combat infections. Studies suggest turmeric, or its compound, curcumin, could aid in managing type 2 diabetes and alleviating PMS symptoms. However, further research is required. The research into whether turmeric can help with heart health and Alzheimer's disease shows mixed results. Some studies suggest it has positive effects, yet others do not show a clear benefit. Turmeric has properties that fight inflammation and kill microbes. This could help with digestive health and skin issues. Its ability to act as an antioxidant is being studied for cancer prevention. However, more detailed clinical research is needed to verify these possible uses. Disclaimer: this video is just for information. Before using turmeric for your health, talk to your doctor. They will guide you on the right dose and any medication interactions. They'll also decide if turmeric is suitable for you. Cosmetic and personal care uses of turmeric. Turmeric isn't just tasty and potentially good for health, it's also popular in cosmetics and personal care. The spice is known for making skin brighter. People use it in skincare products because of this. Turmeric is valued for its skin brightening, anti-inflammatory, and hair conditioning qualities. Many skincare brands now use turmeric in their products. They know turmeric can lessen acne, even skin tone, and give a healthy glow. Turmeric-infused masks, serums, and moisturizers are getting more popular. You don't have to spend a lot on skincare products for turmeric benefits. Making turmeric face masks and skincare at home can save money. This is a cheap way to use this powerful spice. A mask made of turmeric, honey, and yogurt can calm inflammation. It also removes dead skin and makes the skin brighter. Adding turmeric to sandalwood powder, chickpea flour, and apple cider vinegar makes good cleansers and toners. They help with acne and improve dull skin. When you use turmeric for DIY skincare, start with a little bit. Always do a patch test to avoid irritation. Remember, turmeric might temporarily turn your skin yellow-orange. Turmeric is not just for skincare, it is also a natural colorant in cosmetics. It gives a vibrant hue to lipsticks, eyeshadows, and nail polishes. Turmeric's antimicrobial properties could be helpful in hair care products too. Turmeric is not just for skin care, it's also in hair care products. These products use turmeric for its ability to condition and soothe the scalp. If you have dry, damaged hair or an irritated scalp, you might try turmeric. There are shampoos, conditioners, and hair masks with turmeric. They provide a natural option for those into hair care. Turmeric is a versatile and beneficial ingredient for beauty products. You can use it in store-bought items or DIY recipes. This golden spice can enhance your beauty routine. Other uses of turmeric. Turmeric is widely recognized for its use in cooking and medicine. Additionally, this adaptable spice is used in different cultural and industrial uses. Turmeric is very important in various parts of the Indian subcontinent. It is a symbol in many religious and cultural events. Hindus find turmeric auspicious. They use it to decorate altars, temples, and objects used in rituals. Turmeric's bright yellow color stands for purity, prosperity, and fertility. In Hindu weddings in India, it has a special role. Both the bride and groom wear turmeric paste. This represents purity, prosperity, and good luck. Turmeric is important in Buddhist traditions. It is used to dye monks' robes golden. In Asia, folk medicine uses turmeric too. People believe it can purify and protect from evil. They also think it promotes well-being. Turmeric is not just for cultural and spiritual use. It has gained attention for possible industrial uses too. Experts are looking into using turmeric's colors in textiles, plastics, and manufactured items. This could be a green alternative to artificial dyes. Turmeric's ability to fight microbes and oxidants might also benefit industrial processes and products. Turmeric is best known for its use in traditional medicine, especially Ayurveda. This ancient Indian holistic health system values turmeric highly. It is believed to balance the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. For a long time, Ayurvedic experts have used turmeric to help with many problems. These include respiratory issues, skin conditions, and joint pain. Turmeric is a versatile and important plant. It is used in kitchens, medicine cabinets, and ritual spaces. This plant has a long history of use worldwide. What are the lesser-known but good-to-know facts about turmeric? 1. Turmeric is known as Indian saffron because of its bright yellow color. It is a cheaper option compared to costly saffron. 2. There are more than 130 species of turmeric across the world. However, only a few of these species are used for eating and medicine. Among them, India's Lakadong turmeric is the most valued. It has a high curcumin content, ranging from 7% to 12%. 3. Turmeric has compounds that repel insects. People in some areas use it as a safe, natural insecticide. This protects crops from pests without harmful chemicals. 4. It also serves as a natural dye. Ancient civilizations, such as India, Egypt, and Mesopotamia, used turmeric for dyeing. 5. Historically, turmeric paper served as a natural litmus test. Number 5. It changes to reddish-brown in the presence of alkaline substances. 6. Turmeric has more than 300 natural ingredients. These include curcumin, beta-carotene, vitamin C, calcium, flavonoids, and more nutrients. 7. In certain cultures, people use turmeric in purification ceremonies. They believe it cleanses both the spirit and the body. It's used in rituals to keep away evil spirits and negative energies. 8. Curcumin is the active part of turmeric, but the body doesn't absorb it well. Adding black pepper or coconut oil can help the body absorb it better and get more benefits. 9. People in the Western world used turmeric to dye fabric at first. 2. Later, they learned about its health benefits. 10. Turmeric adds flavor and color to food and helps preserve it. Its ability to fight off microbes makes it important in traditional cooking, keeping food fresh longer. Wrapping up the golden goodness, we hope this video inspires you to try turmeric in your cooking and wellness routines. You might want to make a traditional curry, or you could whip up a turmeric-infused smoothie. Another idea is to create a soothing turmeric face mask. There are endless possibilities. If you want to know about turmeric's health benefits, look at scientific journals and trusted health organizations. The research is hopeful. Yet, talk to your healthcare provider before taking turmeric supplements. It's very important. Thank you all for being here today. I hope you found the turmeric uses interesting and informative. If you liked the video, please share it. Also, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more content about the natural world. Keep exploring, learning, and enjoying nature's gifts, like turmeric. Take care and have a great day.